Virginia's Supreme Court could still have the final say, as the state's justices never made a ruling on the special election's legality. Earlier this year, Republican led groups filed three separate lawsuits against the redistricting efforts, citing multiple issues from language on the ballot to claims it violated the state's constitution.
It's frustrating. It's un-American. It's not Virginian.
But the state Supreme Court ruled the election could move forward and the legality would be determined later, saying, quote, issuing an injunction to keep Virginians from the polls is not the proper way to make this decision. Political analyst Leslie Coggle says it's possible the Supreme Court could revisit these arguments, but it places the justices in a difficult situation.
You can only imagine how voters would feel or perceive the legitimacy of the court, or maybe the partisanship of the court, if voters vote yes on this and then the court subsequently throws it out. I think it's a really hard thing for the court to do.
Coggle says there's also precedent to keep in mind. The Supreme Courts of Texas and California both approved redistricting efforts in the middle of an election cycle. And even if Virginia Supreme Court takes up the lawsuits, the justices could not deliberate for long, as early voting for primary elections is only weeks away.
And unless tomorrow the Supreme Court hands down their opinion, there's going to be this space in which there's still uncertainty regardless of the electoral outcome.
Emily Harrison, 13 News Now.